Some things might be a mystery to you, but you need to understand that getting familiar with user softwares and applications on your computer should not be part of that mystery. How do you like paying for softwares, paying for quick fixes that you could have just handled all by yourself within minutes? There are certain misconceptions about how various computer softwares and applications work. This is because people possess little or no knowledge about how these things work. This is part of the things my YouTube channel will be correcting. I'll be providing you with updated knowledge on how various user softwares work and how they can be used to solve your daily activities. In coming weeks, I'll also be running a learning series where you'll be learning about how to use various softwares like Microsoft Office, Google Suite, emails, command prompt, remote desktop, to mention a few. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, like, share my videos so you can keep getting updates from me.